Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Little Food. I'm Patty and this is Ray. And today we are making Spice Rub Salmon and salad. Okay, guys, on with the show. Okay guys, we're gonna start off with mixing the spicy seasoning for the salmon. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 zest of lemon. Okay, now I'm going to mix it all together. So now I'm going to start rubbing the seasoning into the salmon. Get it all in there. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, so the salmon's all seasoned now. We're going to load up the pan. I'm going to cook the salmon on medium heat for 5 minutes and then turn it over. Okay, I'm turning them over now. Look at them, they look nice and caramelized. The salmon is now done. Now I'm going to plate it up. Before I plate up, I'm going to cut up the avocado with my imaginary knife. Here we go guys, our Spice Rub Salmon with salad. I'm going to put some mustard dressing on top of the salad. I've just combined whole grain mustard, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup and olive oil to make the dressing for the salad. Voila! Okay guys, I'm just going to go enjoy this. See ya! Ah, that was delicious. You should definitely try this recipe guys. Anyways guys, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like us.